Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In this video we are going to discuss about that can English be learned without spending money? Can English be learned without giving the whole day? Without giving our full time to learn English language. And how did I learn? Did I ever join any type of classes? Did I ever join any type of institution? Did I ever spend money to learn English language to achieve fluency? Even I'm not so much fluent. Actually, I'm just learning. But in this video we are just going to discuss about that the people who are thinking that English, the people who have money only they can speak, the people who have richness only they can learn English language, they can speak English language, the people who have enough time only they can learn English language. So my friend, there is nothing like that. If I talk about the first thing, that will we have to give our whole day to learn English language, to speak English language, to achieve fluency? So my answer is no. Because see, when we are beginner, when we start learning English language, then we do not need to give our whole day. See, because if we learn for a whole day, then we will be getting bored, right? But if you are passionate, if you have desire, if you are hungry to learn, if you are hungry to achieve fluency, then no one can tell you that can you learn, can you give your whole day or not, because now it is up to you how long you can learn, right? But the people who don't have desire, who are not passionate, they cannot give whole day, they cannot give their whole day to learn English language to achieve fluency, right? So my friend, see, if we are learning English language, so in our beginning time we have to give our, at least it is up to us, like whatever sentences we are learning, that's just that sentences, those sentences should be clear, right? And just whatever we are learning, we should have understanding about that, right? And just 1 hour enough for this. If you are beginner, if you are learning only sentences, but if you are speaking English language, then there is no exact time that how long you are practicing. The more you will practice, the more fluent you will become. It is the reality. See, when I used to be a beginner, when I started learning English, when I started speaking speaking English language, so I used to go little far from my village for speaking English language, even for 1 hour. And if there is a season of winter season, so I used to speak 2 hour, 2.5 hour. But when the season is summer season, so I used to speak 1.5 hour, and sometimes only 1 and only half hour, so only this much time I used to speak English language. Or for a whole day, in a whole day I did not used to speak English language. Sometimes I used to speak alone. Yeah. So you know what, some of the people think that we have to speak for a whole day. Yeah, it is, if you are able to speak, you can, because the more you will speak, the more you will become. I wasn't able to speak for a whole day because I had a lot of work, so that's why I couldn't speak, and that's why my fluency is not better, right? I'm not so much fluent, but I'm trying right now. I'm just learning, I'm speaking. So my question was that if we are spending a lot of money, so without spending money, can we learn English language? So yes, my friend, because I never ever spent any type of money to learn English language. I used my phone only, and I used to learn with the help of my phone, with the help of YouTube. See, if you want to buy any type of book, any type of thing that can help you to achieve fluency, then you can. I'm not saying that you should not buy anything to learn English language to achieve fluency. I'm saying just you can learn with the help of your phone, right? So this is the, this is the thing, you can learn with the help of your phone, there is no problem. And if I talk about fluency, so fluency will have to develop it, we will have to speak. See my friend, if I talk about fluency, so some of the people think that if we spend our 6 months to learn English language to achieve fluency, and we can become a fluent speaker. So my friend, no. You can speak, at least you can speak some of the things, but you cannot become a fluent speaker, right? It is the, it is the reality. So if some of the people think that if we try to speak for 4 months and 6 months, 3 months, and after that we will speak, if we speak every single day, then we can achieve fluency in 6 months, in 7 months. No my friend, no, we cannot achieve fluency this much time, in this much time, man. See my friend, don't seek instant result. We can speak English language, but it takes time, it's a language. See, we cannot learn it over the night. We have to give our, time, we have to spend our time, we have to speak English language, we have to speak a lot of things, then we will be able to speak, you know it is not very easy. It is, but yeah, it's not so much hard, but it is not so much easy as well. I mean, we can learn, there is no problem, if we are consistent enough, right? Just be consistent. Just whatever you are learning, small things you are learning, and you are thinking that when I will become a fluent speaker, when I will speak English language fluently. So my friend, see, don't be impatient. See my friend, whatever you are learning, small sentences, whatever sentences you are learning, just celebrate that day, that today you have learned this thing, right? Don't seek instant result. Just feel motivated, just watch the videos of the people and say that one day I also will speak in the same way, and more than, I mean, more better than that person. See, I mean, just say yourself, okay? You do not need to spend a lot of money to learn English language. You do not need to give your whole day to learn English language. As I mentioned that how I learn, how I used to speak for even for a 1.5 hour and 2.5 hour, but nowadays I'm speaking a little, longer than it. So now I'm just achieving little bit fluency because my fluency is not good. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.